4.5 gallon watts expansion tank. House pressure at 55. Prep our copper for the expansion tank. I have a bucket of a bunch of extra crap here. All I need is one female, one male. That's all I need right now. Our expansion tank is quite close, but it looks like our battery is about dead. So, 55, there we go. Disconnect. Let me put this back in the bag until we're ready to use it. Alright, let's get this shit soldered up real quick. Alright, that's it for the soldering. Alright, this is what we're working with. You see the expansion tank is full of water. It's dangling down. Needs a new one. That's what we're here for. We're just gonna do it by hand now. Wow, this puppy's full. That's a lot of pressure. Wow, that puppy is full. And that's it, with water running, baby. I had to kind of work on the fly, so it's not 100% plumb, but it's very, very much better. Alright, folks, so we're all cleaned up and we're done. This is the final product. So, before we had tank dangling, screwed a male adapter into there, stubbed out a little piece. I can clip these. These are gonna get clipped in a minute. But everything looks good, nice plumb. Had to pro press it because the water wouldn't stop. I didn't want to shut the main off to the house. So, but everything looks really good. 55 psi, tank's back on. So.